ॐ सङ्गच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संवो मनांसि जानताम् देवा भागं यथा पूर्वे सञ्जानाना उपासते.
Hi, I am Parag Mukherjee. I am a founder member of U Yoga Academy Midnapur. I am very glad to inform you that an association named Yoga Objectives and Guidelines Association is formed under the auspices of some renowned yoga coaches of India, Mr. Gauranga Sarkar being the secretary. All of you are aware the world is going through a crisis at this moment, and that crisis name is COVID-19 pandemic. As all of you are aware that yoga is an important tool to boost up your immunity in order to fight this disease. In such situation, Yoga Objectives and Guidelines Association is formed in order to rejuvenate millions of souls in this situation. Now, Yoga Objectives and Guidelines Association, its aim is to bring all the yoga institutions who are imparting some new style of yoga education under one umbrella. This Yoga Objective and Guidelines Association, as a part of its initiative, has introduced the first ever league round championship of yoga in India. The competition has already started. 70 teams from all over India has participated in this competition. After the league round, 40 teams were selected for the semi-final round, men and women separately. And after the semi-final round, in the final round, 20 teams were selected for the final champion of champions round. So all of you are requested to be a part of this association and attend the several programs which will be undertaken by this association in future. Now you are requested to enjoy our final round of championship, which is first ever in India, organized by Yoga Objectives and Guidelines Association. Thank you. Meet Mr. Gauranga Sarkar. He is a dynamic person, always trying to bring some new ideas in the field of yoga training as well as yoga as a sports. In this COVID-19 pandemic situation, Mr. Gauranga Sarkar has introduced the first ever online yoga championship. He has already completed his online Surya Namaskar championship and online yoga championship. And now he has introduced a completely new idea of league championship in yoga. The league championship of yoga organized by Yoga Objectives and Guidelines Association. We have already completed our league round, and after league round we have completed our semi-final round, and now we are approaching towards the final round of this first ever league championship. All of you are cordially invited to be part of our association and help us in all our future endeavors. Thank you very much. Thank you.